Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. In continuing with the previous session, in this session entitled Session 7, we introduce EndNote software, software for referencing. Uh, my name is Dr. Farzan Madadizadeh, and I'm Associate Professor of Biostatistics in Department of Biostatistics in Yazd University of Medical Science, Yazd, Iran. You can contact with me or keeping in touch with me with email, phone, Telegram ID, WhatsApp ID, and Instagram. You also you can find my research in Google Scholar profile. In this session, we introducing EndNote referencing software, how to setting for sending reference from Google Scholar also will be introduced. EndNote, one of the most popular referencing site software. EndNote is a powerful reference management software designed to help researchers, academics, and students to collect, organize, and cite bibliographic references. Think of it as a sophisticated digital library for all the journal articles, books, and other sources you use in your research. Its primary purpose is to save your time and ensure accuracy when writing papers, theses, or books by automatically formatting citation and generating bibliographies. In this part, we talk about history of EndNote. First of all, we should know history of software. In 1989, EndNote was originally developed by Richard Nile and launched by Niles and Associated. It was designed to help researchers manage bibliographies and citation efficiently. In 2000, the software was acquired by Institute for Scientific Information Research Soft Division, which was part of Thomson Corporation. This marked its integration into a broader suite of research tools. In 2016, ownership transferred to Clarivate Analytics, known as Clarivate today, which continues to develop and maintain EndNote software as part of its research and analytic portfolio. What is the properties of EndNote? EndNote is a software that stores and organizes reference found from many resources such as Google Scholar, Scopus, Web of Science, and other scientific resources. It helps to insert the citation into Word document and PowerPoint and other Microsoft tools. It also automatically format your reference according to predefined citation style. For example, when you set annotated style, you can change it to Vancouver. It's automatically update your reference styles without doing anything. Key feature and what it does. EndNote is popular for building and organizing library. In all of the world, its most popular software used more efficiently in organizing library in all institutes. For example, when you collect reference, you can manually enter reference or import them directly from online database like PubMed, Web of Science, Google Scholar, and library catalogs. It also manages PDFs. You can attach PDF articles to their corresponding reference. EndNote also can even read the PDFs and automatically extract the citation data. For example, author, title, journal, etc. And create a new reference in your library. Other properties is organization. You can sort reference into custom groups for different projects. You can also tag reference with keywords, rate them, and search your entire library instantly. So this feature is a number one feature entitled building and organizing your library. Second feature is citing while you're writing. EndNote is this feature is the most celebrated feature of EndNote. EndNote can plug in and add in Microsoft Word and other softwares, and while you're writing a paper in Word, you simply click insert citation, search for reference in your EndNote library and insert it. It also automatically formatting. For example, EndNote instantly formats the in-text citation according to citation style you choose. For example, when the citation style is annotated, you can change it to Vancouver. It instantly change the format. Automatic bibliography. At the end of your document, EndNote automatically generate a perfectly formatted bibliography or reference list containing all citation you used in correct style. Third properties or features is thousands of citation style. EndNote comes with over 7,000 preloaded citation style. For example, APA, MLA, Chicago, Vancouver, Nature, Science, and all journal can have self styles in EndNote. If a style isn't perfect, you can easily customize it to meet the exact requirement. The fourth features of EndNote is finding full text. EndNote can often automatically find and attach the full text PDF for a reference in your library if your institution have subscription to that journal. This requires connection to your university library proxy. So, who uses EndNote? EndNote is more useful, is a useful tool, especially for academic researcher. Academic researcher for writing articles and receiving grant proposal and writing proposal need to use EndNote. EndNote is an acceptable software in all over the world. It's very common in universities and academic projects. Also, it can be used by university students, especially postgraduate, master, and PhD students writing thesis and dissertation. Librarian and publisher, editor are also the users of the EndNote. EndNote version. EndNote have two versions. It's available in two main versions. EndNote Desktop for Windows or Mac. This is classic full feature software that is installed directly on your computer. It offers the most powerful tools and is one-time purchase. EndNote Online, a lighter web-based version that syncs with your desktop library, allowing you to access reference from any computer with an internet connection. It's good for basic tasks and collaboration, but has fewer features than the desktop version. Many universities provide their students and staff with a free or heavily discounted license for the desktop version. In our students in Iran, we have the correct version, and I will give it Cite to download it free. Pros and cons of EndNote. EndNote is extremely powerful and feature-rich. It also is a gold standard for citation formatting in large libraries. It is an excellent Microsoft Word integration, a handless massive library with ease, unmatched control over reference style and formatting. What is the cons of EndNote? EndNote is very expensive. It's expensive if your institution does not provide the license. It's very expensive to you to buy it. A steeper learning curve compared to free tools like Zotero or Mendeley can be overkill for user with simple need. For example, for undergraduate student for writing a short essay. How to download EndNote? I bring here two addresses for downloading EndNote. The first of all is the main company address to download it, endnote.com. Other is a free crack for Iranian users. In this links, you can use this link to download free crack, and version 19 is suitable. Today, EndNote has a version of 2025, but free crack is available for version of 19. You can use second address to download free crack. After download and installing of EndNote is similar to other software. When you download it, you can extract it and click on install and next, click on next to install, and it's similar to other softwares. When you install EndNote, you should go to Google Scholar to set Google EndNote as a reference style in your Google Scholar. When you set reference style into EndNote in Google Scholar, you can find it in below of your articles. For example, when you search new articles, you can see a new link is import into EndNote. How to set it? Go to hamburger like settings here, click on it, go to setting, at the end of this page you can find Bibliography Manager. When you did not previously set it, for first of all it's set and don't show any citation mark. You click on show link to import citation and select EndNote. You can see here different citation managers, but you select EndNote and click save. When you set this, if you search for article or for author names, I search for author name, my name Farzan Madadizadeh, you can find a new link below of your articles. When you click on it, it directly import the information of the citation of this article to EndNote software. But while I'm using a crack version, in crack version you can click on it to download it. It will be downloaded here. After download, you click on it. Click on it. It will be shown in library of EndNote. It's important to notice that it is recommended that when using EndNote software is such as this. When you install it, you can see the environment of this software such as this. In file section, you can click on here and write new library, click on new and rename. For example, my library name is Farzan. You can name your libraries such as according to your article. For example, when you writing article about bladder cancer, your library name is bladder cancer article. Name and after name, choose to where it saved. I save it desktop. The new library is free and zero reference here. It's empty. It's ready to insert your reference. Okay, go to your download and click on it. The first reference was entered into the reference to EndNote. You can enter other reference. For example, I want to insert this article information to EndNote. Click on it, and after that, when complete download, click on here, open file. This will be entered into your library. For example, this is the information extracted that from that article. For example, information includes other names, year, title, journal names, volume, part, issue, pages, start page, and other related information. The important parts is author names, year, title, journal, volume, issue, page. They are a very important part of information which need to be completed. After complete your library and install EndNote, you should check it in Microsoft Word. I want to open my Microsoft Word and check it. When you install correctly your EndNote software, you can see EndNote as a part of your Word document. For example, I can see EndNote is here, inserted top of our Word document. When you see this insert in your Word document, you reach the accurate install, and you will be accurately install your library, and you will be sure to accurately install it. How to insert citation? For example, I write sentence and full stop here. Click full stop. Before full stop, I click here and go to EndNote. Go to EndNote. For example, for that sentence, I want to insert this articles. Click on it and click here. As you can see, here are a key to insert citation. Click on it. And wait to insert your citation. For example, you can see right here in parentheses 1 references, and this is the reference. You can click here to move references. I can write other sentence and full stop. Before the full stop, select here I go to EndNote and import my other references. For example, I want to insert this reference. Click on it and then click here to insert second reference. As you can see, reference will be insert by the order. For example, 1, 2, and blah blah blah. And at the end of your document, you can find the full information of references. You can write the top of this, write references, and these will be your references. You can write here other text, and the end of your text, main text, will be your references. So it was how to insert citation, how to set Google Scholar, and how to insert to Word document. Google Scholar is a fantastic tool for discovering research, but it lacks reference management feature. So need to insert a reference manager. EndNote is best software for manage, organize, and cite that research. The connection between them is export function. As you see, I go to Google Scholar, go to hamburger menu such as this, and click on setting, and then bibliography manager and show link, and click on EndNote, and finally click on save. Thank you very much. In the next session, I will show how to use EndNote perfectly, and I will introduce details of this software and how to use it in many different situations. Thank you for your attention. Have a good luck.